Hey guys, Xwayne here, and we're on Cubic Odyssey, and something I do with some other games. I do a planetary exploration review, basically. For a lot of people who know me know that I've reviewed a lot of things on other sites, and I'm, I like to review the planets that I'm on because I'm going to visit other planets, and I'll have a review for every planet I visit. I don't know how many episodes it'll be, but these videos will last anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes. But I wanted to start it off here because this is something I never seen before. We're actually on Bardwell 1, the first planet you start off on. As you can see, I got my ship, but look, there's a firma guy. Fauna, on top of a tree. I don't see that too often. But let's get started with our review. It's at night, so we're not going to see too much at the moment, but we do have lights. This is the planet you start off with, and I have markers that are 1 and 2 up there. That's because there's some crashed ships that I'm going to get to later, but as you can see, there's a lot of trees on this planet, and they're really massive. This is a smaller tree, but there are some huge trees, and I've planted quite a few all over. Looks like there's another crash ship over here. I'll probably put a marker right here. Oh wow, but there is some aliens. Can't seem to get them. But that's not what this video is about. But let's explore the planet Bardwell 1. There's the faunas. These buildings have a lot of glow bricks on them. I usually pick them apart sometimes. There might be different places you might want to think about building a base, because I just built a base where they kind of instructed me to. But you got this little thing here, water, which is kind of cool. I've always wanted to build a base on water so I can do some underwater stuff. And that's actually a good spot to do it. There's all sorts of, and if you're looking for ore, there's always meteorites coming down. Here's another little, so you run into a lot of buildings like this, and then another little lake. I guess we'll head over to my base and kind of give you an idea where. But then over here you got the ocean, kind of, or a large lake. I guess I should have started this video during the day. But it would probably be, this could be another area to build a massive base. I think this spot right here was where I was gonna try and move my base over. It's got this long trail. You got it like caverns, and there's water right there. I still want to build a massive base somewhere. I thought about making the Death Star from Star Wars, but that would be pretty massive. Could have docking bays, but these ships don't land on docking bays. And you got the smoke here because there's probably another crashed ship, and we'll check that out. This almost looks like the same area that's actually this ship right here that I'm in. That's a crashed ship right there. So it's another exact model. But seeing this at night kind of gives you an idea what it does look like at night. I'll probably run at least 2 videos in each planet exploration. I could have swore a block was moving, but so there is actually quite a bit of water on this planet. Once again, a great place to those are the bats that fly at night. Look at this, and this is a perfect spot for a base, which we're gonna just get off of here for a minute. You got the creatures, almost like dinosaur-like creatures. There's a glass right here. But I also have this gun that I like to use as a scope gun, and I like to look around what's in that cavern. So you can see that the water stops right there, but there used to be water right here because there's a coral right there. So that's kind of neat. Clouds are right there. But this is literally, this island would be perfect for okay. We're just gonna look at that again. So see how the water comes in. And you got this little cave here. It was probably because of a meteorite. It really is kind of a nice little spot just to build a base. The water actually gives you a little bit of protection from just random things. So I'm going to actually mark this spot here as number 3 because I may actually build a base there. We'll get back in our ship. So we're going to cut this video here, and we're going to probably do one more exploration of the planet just to see what it's like, and we might stop off another spot here or there. But thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you like our review of the planet so far. Bardwell 1.